Is your house cold and hard to heat? Do you get a shock when your fuel bills arrive? If so, you probably need to review the current insulation levels in your home. In fact, 70% of Irish homes are either uninsulated or poorly insulated. As a result, we waste thousands of euros annually on excessive energy, and we are Europe's biggest offender when it comes to CO2 emissions.
2 weeks ago, the owners of this house were in the same position as you are now, considering having cavity wall insulation installed and trying to decide which company, which product. Well, they got it right. They choose Premier Installations, one of Ireland's oldest and most established insulation companies. In fact, they've been at it for over 25 years and have thousands of installations completed throughout the length and breadth of Ireland.
From your initial contact with Premier Installations, you can relax and be confident that your installation will be completed to the highest possible standards. A comprehensive survey is completed to determine the suitability of your home for cavity wall insulation and to ensure that the installation team is fully briefed on the works to be completed. The installation is carried out by trained and competent personnel employed directly by Premier Installations. A series of small holes are drilled in the external walls to facilitate the foam injection. Prior to commencing, some standard pre-installation checks are carried out and a sample of foam is taken to ensure that the material used complies with our strict quality control policy. The foam is then injected under 130 pounds pressure and completely fills the cavity. Let's have a look inside the cavity as the foam is injected. The foam quickly rises and fills the cavity. As it reaches and moves the indicator wand, the technician moves to the next injection point. The foam fill system is ideal for topping up cavities that already had some insulation installed whilst under construction. This will often be poorly fitted and totally ineffective. As the foam is injected, it forces the existing board tight against the inner leaf and fills the remainder of the cavity before solidifying. This can improve the thermal performance of the walls by up to 300%. On completion of the foam injection process, the small holes are repaired and the original wall finish is reinstated. The clean-up begins to ensure your property is left clean and tidy. As the installation team depart, you are left to enjoy the benefits of a warmer, comfortable and more energy-efficient home.
So if you're considering cavity wall insulation, insist on the professionals. Pick Premier Installations.